Greetings of the day, everyone. This is a reporter Seerat Arora reporting from the official news channel of Delhi Public School Rudrapur. The CBSE North Zone Archery Championship at Delhi Public School Rudrapur concluded with a grand closing ceremony, showcasing not only the exceptional skill and the dedication of the participants, but also their leadership quality and sportsman spirit that marked the event. The championship saw the participation of more than 350 young archers from 60 schools across Uttarakhand and northern West Uttar Pradesh, which was an overwhelming success, showcasing their growing interest in our competitive sports like archery. Over the course of the three-day event, athletes competed in various age categories, demonstrating precision, focus, and determination. The championship featured Indian, recurve, and compound bow categories, and matches were held in different age groups: under 14, under 17, and under 19. The closing ceremony was graced by Mr. Pankaj Shukla, Chief Treasury Officer, who gave an inspiring speech on the importance of perseverance, discipline, and mental toughness in sports. Other esteemed guests present in the ceremony were Dr. Amrita Sharma, Deputy Collector US Nagar, Mr. Manoj Katyal, SP Rudrapur, Colonel Kundan Sharma, CO 78 UK NCC Battalion, Dr. Nagendra Sharma, Sports Officer and Secretary, Sports Board, Kumaon University, Nainital, Shri Jugal Kishore Bambaji, renowned businessman, Mr. Manoj Arora, MD Ram Rajya Wire and Allied Industries, and Shri Rajendra Shridharji. The chief guest, along with other dignitaries, distributed medals and certificates to the winners, recognizing their hard work and achievements. The CBSE North Zone Archery Championship was organized under the guidance of CBSE Sports Committee with support from Delhi Public School and the Archery Federation of Uttarakhand. A team of professional coaches, referees, and volunteers ensured that the event ran smoothly, adhering to the international standards of safety and fairness. DSB Rishikesh turned out to be the overall champion in under 14 category, while under 17 overall championship was grabbed by MAT International School Vasundhara Ghaziabad. DPS Rudrapur became the overall champion in under 19 category. The event concluded with a ceremonial lowering of the championship flag, signaling the official end of the tournament. The CBSE North Zone 1 Archery Championship has set a high standard for future events, with participants eagerly looking forward to the national level competition to be held later this year. We extend our gratitude to our esteemed Chairman Sir, Shri Surjit Singh Grover Ji, for his support in nurturing emerging talent. His unwavering encouragement and guidance have been instrumental in shaping the future of our young achievers. In his address, he extended heartfelt gratitude to all the teams and their managers. He also expressed gratitude towards the invited guests and congratulated all the winners.
Thoughts and views on the sports facilities and infrastructure provided by the DPS team?
इस स्कूल में अगर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर की बात हम करें तो पूरे जनपद में जितने भी स्कूल हैं उनसे एक अच्छी खासी अपॉर्चुनिटी यहाँ दी गई है और अच्छी खासी फैसिलिटी यहाँ अवेलेबल है। और जैसे कि धीरे धीरे अगर हमारे जो इवेंट्स होते जा रहे हैं, इंडिविजुअल इवेंट्स, चाहे फेंसिंग हो, चाहे आर्चरी हो, चाहे शूटिंग हो या टेबल टेनिस हो, इसमें अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी है और अच्छी फैसिलिटी यहाँ पे उपलब्ध है। अब हम यही एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि फ्यूचर में भी ये जिस तरीके से फैसिलिटी और आगे अच्छी बढ़ती रहे।
मैम, आपको लगता है कि जो एथलीट्स हैं जिन्होंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, जो युवा हैं, वो किसी तरीके से भी इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं अपना आपको फ्यूचर इवेंट्स के लिए?
देखिए, स्पोर्ट्स एक ऐसा इवेंट है जिसमें जितनी आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे, जितना आप डिसिप्लिन रहेंगे, उतना अच्छा होता है। तो इम्प्रूव करने के लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है कि फोकस्ड रहें, डिसिप्लिन रहें, और जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तो बच्चे अपने आप को इम्प्रूव करेंगे ही। और ये एक बहुत अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी बच्चों को मिली है यहाँ पर। रुद्रपुर जैसे शहर में एक इतना बड़ा इवेंट होना, ये अपने आप में रुद्रपुर के लिए भी एक गौरव की बात है।
Sir, will this event promote sports in Uttarakhand and as well as in Rudrapur?
Yeah, it should. Why not? The way it has been organized, the way I've been seeing the kids participating, why not? It will surely motivate others to join and promote this sport in Uttarakhand and Rudrapur.
That's all for today's news. For more updates, keep watching the official news channel of Delhi Public School Rudrapur. This is a reporter Seerat Arora signing off.